Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, March 11th. First, I want to congratulate our members for a great entry on Apple with all this technical analysis that we do and charting that we do. And proper planning became very evident today that we are heading up. We broke the downtrend line and going to continue to the north. This downtrend line shall act as support now. Another big win for us is ZBB. We had this at 87 in the chat room and called the exit today on a blow off top at 4 and change, 450 I think it was, 460. But nice job there. That was a 300+% gainer. Good job. All right, what else do we have here? Another one, THTI. Another one, great job on this one. We traded outside this technical box here after we broke it, and it took off like a rocket. Made some huge money there. Live chat, you can't beat it. All right, let's take a look at Plug. What happened to Plug today? Well, that guy, of course, what's his name there? I don't know, Citron, whoever it is. They beat those guys down and gave them a 50-cent valuation. Well, it's a penny stock, folks. It really is. This thing did a reverse way back when. It's always been a penny stock. But I guess now because they got a Walmart deal or whatever, that they figured they would run, the stock ran all the way up to 12. We called a short in the chat room yesterday at $11.21. Time to do a short on that one, and that paid off very, very well today. And I think we see more downside on this. Look for the middle Bollinger Band or the 50-day moving average to be support on that one. FCEL, even though they beat a little bit, they get hammered also, taken to the woodshed. These things have been rocketing from way down here after these accumulation boxes, and now they need to, cool off a bit. So this guy really put it to him, and it's cooling off a bit. BLDP is showing the same thing. Okay. Just pounded. Okay, it came up, rocket ship. These things were way overextended. Anybody who's been in the chat room or following us knows, that you can only ride these things so far before they need to take a break. And then if somebody comes out and says something negative, look what happens. It becomes very lucrative for the downside trade versus the upside trade. It doesn't mean that they're not going to continue to go up, but they do need to pull back and take a break. But yeah, he beat these up pretty good. Look for supports. Wait for supports. Don't rush. Pick and plan your trade. If you're in live chat with us, you'll know when, you'll know how. One that's still doing well though is CPST. CPST held its own today, and they're moving towards profitability slowly. These micro turbines this one's a good company, and we've been following this from under $1 actually, and now we're up here. So it took a little bit of a hit today. Nothing big with everything else that was getting pounded. The other ones got pounded. This one's had a little bit of a pullback, but this one has some great support right here. So out of all the companies, I would plan on this one being the best and safest bet right now for a longer term trade. Waiting for the other ones to settle down a little bit and all the noise to go away, and then you could start building that position again and getting ready to move forward. So keep an eye on these for the future. Let's look at the Dow real quick. And we've been analyzing this for quite some time. We rode it from the downside, then the upside. Now we're over here, and same with SPY. We call them puts on these yesterday. Just couldn't break through. No volume increase here to push it through. Nothing's pushing through, so it just needs a break. Look for the double bottom here, 50-day moving average, to be the area of support. But keep an eye on the 50-day moving average as it is starting to turn over a little bit. Okay, and this will be the second downturn that we've had in a row. So we have this double top in place now. Lower highs. This is not a good setup for long-term stuff. So we'll take a look at the SPY also. SPY is just overextended. This thing has rocketed all the way up to this double top here, and now it's getting ready to pull back down. We have a nice gap to fill over here. We're in puts. Today is a great day to be in puts and ride this thing down to this gap fill at least, and then this support area here. Maybe you get a bounce after that. If not, coming down to the middle Bollinger Band, a 50-day moving average. All right, this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com, and we have live chat for everyone, and it's packed with people, and we really respect what everybody does, and we don't miss a trick. So come on in, trade with us. It's a great time. If you're not a member, become a member today. It's $500 for a lifetime membership. You can't beat it. Every day we're making money one way or another, whether it's on options or whether it's on stocks. All right, everyone, have yourself a great night.